This, we got trucks everywhere. This review is actually inspired by Drew and Jen at Fein Dining. It was crazy. We were in Myrtle Beach for a baseball tournament. I drove by a Bojangles and I see a bird dog. And I'm thinking, man, that doesn't sound very good. And then that night, what do I see? They're doing a review on a bird dog. So I got to do it. Bojangles is something we don't have up in NJ. So I had to make a stop before we headed back. So what we got is, it's like a hot dog, but with chicken. So it's their chicken supreme tender, 2 dill pickles on a potato bun with Carolina Gold sauce. So here's what we got. As you can see, because I don't know if you could see the sauce on there or not. Oh yeah, man, look at all that sauce, nice and saucy like my women. So here we go, I'm gonna get that bite right there. It's got a little bit of everything. It's got the pickle, got the sauce. So, it's on a hot dog bun, but realistically, it's a chicken slider. It's a chicken slider. The Carolina Gold BBQ sauce, is pretty solid. They were saying this is like better than Popeyes. Chicken is juicy. Pickle works. This is pretty good. You know what this goes under? This goes under Sneaky Snack Edition. You can't beat this for a sneaky snack. Sneaky snack, I'm going to go with this. For the price, too, you can't beat it. 8.1, that's that. We got to start heading back up to NJ, man. I will catch you guys on the flip side, baby. Oh, and they got advertised everywhere. There's no signs here, but in the front, inside, watermelon sweet tea. So now I'm like, oh man, I'm like dying. I'm like, I feel my thirst for this watermelon sweet tea. I get it. They don't have watermelon sweet. They're out. They're out. So no watermelon sweet tea for me. I'll catch you guys on the flip side.